back at the Paterson property here to look at the finished work. This is an evening video, so the good thing is that we do have a light inside the apartment. So we want to check out to see what was done. We actually did a couple of things here. We put new floors down, we painted electrical fixtures, windows, popped in a few new doors where it was needed. So this came out pretty nice. This is a 4-bedroom and 2 full baths. This is the kitchen. This came out pretty nice. And we installed new appliances, new door in the back. Did some work to this back porch as well, was needed. Let's see if I have... Looks like we need a light back here. We did some work to the back porch. We also did some upgrades in this bathroom. New vanity, toilet. Let's go check out the second floor. Second floor, well actually it's the third floor, the second floor apartment. We have 2 large bedrooms up here, and we actually put in a new bathroom up here, new floors. We built 2 closets in the bedroom. This is a large bedroom here. We built this closet. This is another large room here that we built the closet in to make it a large spacious bedroom. And we put a brand new bathroom here. Tub taller than sink, new plumbing, ceramic tile, all the good stuff. So now this turned from a 2, well, it was 4 rooms actually, 4 bedrooms with 1 bath. Added a little bit more value by putting another full bathroom on the 3rd floor. So we're gonna rent this unit for about $1,650, and we have it on the market right now. A couple of viewings. So hopefully by February 1st, we'll have this unit rented out. So I'll get some more photos and get a day time video, but just wanted to show that the work here is complete and the unit is on the market for rent. Catch you at the next video.